Hey, Troy here. So one last time I want to show you a trick in 2018 that will allow you to, if you own or purchased commercial property or made major renovations in the last 20 years, to accelerate your depreciation at a 35% rate instead of the 21% rate, which is what we're going to have moving forward. This is a one-time thing. You're only going to be able to do it this year when you file this year. So if you miss it, you miss it. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about. In 2017, if you had a profit of $200,000, your tax bracket would likely be $35,000. You're going to pay $70,000 in taxes, except that you're going to subtract out your depreciation. Now, for the purposes of this, we're just going to use nice round numbers. We're going to subtract $100,000 worth of depreciation. That's also at 35%. You're going to subtract out $35,000, and your total tax liability for year 2017 in this scenario is $35,000. Now we're going to use the same scenario for 2018, see how it changes. So in the same scenario, you have a profit of $200,000, except let me point something out. That $200,000 is actually likely to be a bit higher because you're going to lose a bunch of deductions. That number is going to be closer to net. But you're going to pay a 21% tax rate instead of 35%, so your total tax liability in this case is $42,000. We're going to subtract that same depreciation of $100,000, but this time it's at a 21% rate, $21,000. Subtracted out leaves you with $21,000. So it looks great. But notice the cash value of that depreciation went from 35% or $35,000 to 21% or $21,000. That's a 40% loss of the cash value of the depreciation. That's from 2018 moving forward. You have a one-time opportunity to take advantage and be able to accelerate about a third of your building typically at the 35% rate right now, versus waiting 15 years or 39 years, however long you're depreciating your building out at 21%. Which sounds better to you? 35% cash in hand today or 21% over 15 or 39 years? Your CPA is not going to do this on their own. You need to bring this to your CPA. Give me a call. We'll talk about it. I'll show you what we're talking about. It's very simple. Thank you for watching. I'm Troy Bear, Amazing Business Tools.